Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use extrusion command is discussed here. Okay guys, today CATIA lectures 80 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily, and all commands is one by one is discussed here. Okay guys, explain all these points deeply and clearly, and today is very important point is discussed here. Extrusion sheet metal 3D commands is a extrusion command is very important and very useful command in CATIA. Okay guys, at first open a CATIA software interface, and then okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and at first drawing any sketch, and all sheet metal 3D commands is not active. At first sheet metal parameters is generated here, and this is a generated, then all 3D command is active. Okay, at first drawing any sheet, any rectangle. Okay, this is a perfect, and mention any dimension, this dimension, and also this. Okay, length and height. Length is 140 and height is 100. Okay, this is a correct, and exit. And at first this sheet metal parameters is generated here, and then all is a thickness 2 millimeter, and default bend radius is 4 millimeter, is all is a default value is setting here, and this is a okay. And then this sheet metal parameters is generated here, then all 3D commands is active, and one by one is discussed here. Okay, and then at first wall is created here, and okay, and this is a okay, this is a correct, and this wall on edge is also create here. Okay, both side. Okay, and height is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, height is okay, height is a 81 millimeter, and angle is 90 degree. Okay, and direction is a reverse direction. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, direction is correct. Okay, and guys, today discuss here extrusion command, and at first this face is select here, and a sketch any. Okay, spline command is a use, and then okay, this is a okay, this body is a created. Okay, this okay, this okay, and this is a correct, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, and this extrusion command is only use this is a open profile. Okay, this is a close profile is not showing here. At this is a open profile. Okay, and click extrusion profile is select here this profile, and all is a show here. Okay, this is a correct. Fixed geometry is guys, limit one direction and limit two direction is discussed here, and this is a size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a perfect, size is increase, and this is a decrease, and also size is increase, and this is a decrease. Okay, okay, preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, and mirror extend is also preview is showing here. Size, both size is equal. Okay, both size is equal. And okay, this is a perfect. And this extrusion one is a message here, you can see here on the screen. No union has been done, both body is not union. Okay, both body is separate. This is a close here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a correct. Extrusion command is discussed here, and some important point, again double click here, and some important point is discussed here. First is a sketch at extreme position, also discuss here. And this is a sketch at middle. Okay, this is a sketch at middle position, preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, and also no union has been okay done. Double click here, and this is a okay, this is a both side a, and this position is a okay, this is a correct. All is discussed here. Okay, this is preview is showing here. Okay, this is a okay, and okay, this is a perfect body, correct. Okay, okay, material is select here. This body is a metal, metal is a steel. Okay, this is a perfect. And steel is okay, some steel is discussed here, rendering. And okay, this is a perfect. And this body is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, apply here. Okay, this is a correct, and this is a steel, and this body is a correct. Okay, isometric view is drawing here, and this is a perfect. Zoom in this body, zoom in, this is a correct. Okay, okay, zoom. Okay, this is a isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this body is correct. Okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, okay, okay guys, thank you.